Okay. Is there any sound coming through? Let's start Twitch as well. Twitch. Oh, not really hearing anything. Let's see if there's any sound on Twitch. Yeah, there's no sound at all. How come? It is me that has no sound actually? Oh, it is me. God damn. Oh no, it's looping. Okay, there we go. 8, there shouldn't be desktop audio, no? Okay, there we go. Let's see how's that. Okay, sounds good. I got some chill lofi in the background. It's just my YouTube is not looking right. I don't know, my side screen. Let's see. I guess that works. Okay, what's this? Okay, next time. Oh, damn, it's been a while. It's been a while. Fine. Well. Hello there, anybody? If there's any people watching. Let me get the chat working. Let's see if that works. Hello. Hello. It works. That's great. Now I can also stop hearing myself. Okay. What else do I need to do here now? I do wonder if it's possible to make the chats disappear so they don't stay there the entire time. Message visibility, color if available, huh? Should Twitch messages hide? It's disabled, okay. Featured chat. What these do? Oh yeah, that works. Okay. We need featured chat. Message fade in, message fade out when hiding, slide in from the right, message smoothly scroll in. The effects. Fancy. Auto hide messages, yes. See if that works. How much is 30,000? 30,000? After 30 seconds. Okay, that sounds good. Finish here. Okay. Is it possible to show the text from the bottom? Let's see. They got many options here, but There's just so many options that I have no idea what I'm clicking on. What is this feature chat? How does this work? I got a bomb. I see nothing here. Okay. Messages start at bottom rather than top. Yes. Oh, still on the top. Messages drop down. This. Oh wait, I forgot to change the link. Retarded. Retarded. This. Oh, nice. We got it at the bottom now. Cool. Is it visible? I think we should get the hell to work already. Let me lower the brightness a bit because this is cooking my eyes. Hey, Guiding Coin. Thanks for popping by. Thanks for the W. Appreciate it. Right. Just going to post on my Discord that I'm live, and then we get back to coding because I already wasted a lot of time. Oh, time flies. Okay. Hey, does my mic sound fine? Is everything good? Any input is much appreciated. Then 20 minutes to set up the stream. Oof. That is a very oof moment right there. Put me some music and get to it. That's loud. You guys can hear what I'm listening, right? Yeah, I shouldn't be. I think you are just listening to some good old lofi music, chill music. Okay, great. Let's see. Where did I stop last time? Okay. So we can jump, we can walk, we can bonk. Yeah. And we can pick up the biscuit. Oh god, what did I do? We can pick up the biscuit. Yes, we can pick up the biscuit. So I need to make a way to drop the biscuit now. Oh, what's this? Ah, it's this one. Yeah, I'm not sure why we're getting this. I'm passing everything through properly. Like players ragdoll, player reference. Yeah. How can we get failure? Especially as this seems to work as well. Bonk. Oh god, I sent him so far away. Fuck my life. Okay. So oh. He's not looking right. Okay. Access none. This means that this gives nothing for some reason. Even though I'm certainly passing it through. I'm getting the reference. The reference is also set 100%. Because otherwise, other things wouldn't be working. Okay. Let's try this a different way instead. Try like this. Plug in straight. Let's see if that works. Bonk. Still gonna get it. Let's go print. Let's see if this is valid. Where is it failing? Bonk. Client 1. So it's for me. It's for me that this is not passing through. Let's try from here instead. Probably will be the same thing again. Oh no, this time it was good. What? Okay, one more time. I've had things like this before where you just really gotta reconnect it for it to work again. Yeah, now it works fine. Weird. Yeah, because I remember when I was building this part, I had the same issue and I just passed it through the multicast and everything seemed to work fine afterwards. This multi-RPC. Okay. Now I gotta figure out. Yes, meow meow. Hello, meow meow. Oh yeah, there was one thing I forgot to do. So I wanted to pin my game. Thanks, Jeff. Appreciate it. Hell yeah. So now we gotta figure out how do we drop it. How do we drop the biscuit after we pick it up? Okay, let's see. I think I had something somewhere. Like so this started as a single player game. And then I decided like, oh, I'm gonna make it multiplayer, and now I have to remake everything beat by beat, and sometimes I'm honestly so lost in this whole thing. Let's just search in here. Biscuit. Oh wait, I think it's yeah, it's a function. Ooh, need to copy this whole thing and paste it here. Okay. It also needs to be replicated. Anymore. That one was for the AI. I'll have to redo the AI eventually, I guess. This sets back our speed to normal. Pick up biscuit, it's off. Pick out this, it's off. Detach from actor. Set simulate physics. Did I do attach previously? Pick up. Or did I do the pick up last time? Where's my attack? Attach. So did I? Okay, I did this on. Oh, okay. This might need to get a remake. Okay, for now, we'll just go through it and see which parts work without multicast and which do. So, custom event, RPC drop biscuit. We check if the biscuit is picked up. If it is, we run the code. Setting speed, detaching from actor, simulating physics of the biscuit, enabling collision, stop montage, show the bat again, and we do a little radio impulse at location to send the biscuit away, and then we clear the biscuit reference. Okay. Oh, this is still too bright for my eyes. Okay. Alright, get off me, you son of a bitch. Go away. Okay, pick it up. Okay, we can walk around, and if I let go. Oh wait, I didn't even plug into anything to let it go. What the heck? God damn it. I should move this a bit closer here. Okay, drop biscuit, RPC, drop biscuit. If I let go of my left click, it should drop the biscuit, but let's see, because we might need some multicast in here. Okay, pick up the biscuit. I let go the biscuit. It lets go on my screen, but not. Let's go on my screen. Another other player screen. The smaller one is the one I'm controlling right now. Okay. So the detach needs to go through a multicast. Let me move this here. Okay. Oh wait, I didn't even. Damn it! Wait, am I running on server? Oh god, no. No. I didn't even replicate this. My bad. Okay, let's see first how this looks with actual replication going on. Okay. Pick up the biscuit. And then I let it go. The good news is we dropped the biscuit. Can I pick it up again? I can pick it up again. Can I drop it again? I can drop it again. Nice. Let me move this here so I can see better. Now can this guy pick it up? Yes. And wait, I'm having a hard time seeing this. I think I need to move it to the second screen, sadly. Oh no! Infinite loop detected on the print string. That shouldn't happen. Not sure how that happened, but okay. Okay, so I pick it up. I'll let it go. It's mostly the animation that's not working. Can I hit? Yes, I can hit. Now pick it up with this guy. Drop it. Okay, I dropped it. Wait, can I hit? Yes. Pick it up again. We're not playing the montage. And we got the infinite loop again. That's weird. Okay, I'll fix this soon. For now, I just need to focus on current issues. Okay, so we'll still need multi wait, copy paste multi up PC. Biscuit. Maybe some multicast. Like this here, and then PC drop biscuit. Don't call itself. Biscuit. So this calls this, which calls this, calling this, and that goes to here and runs the whole thing. Okay. Now I need to figure out what needs and what doesn't need a multicast. Detach actor, I believe it needs a multicast, as similar physics can be just on the server. Set collision enabled. Let's swap this around. Stop animation also needs to be on the multicast. Actually, that's quite a bit. Going to separate these, put them here. Ah shit, this whole thing needs to run first. Okay. Can do it like this, I guess. This needs to run on the server's version. Networking, am I right? Variables don't need a multicast, we're just checking on the server if this is valid. Okay, how about we do it like this instead? We move this. Oops. Do it like this. This will probably throw errors though. I'll probably need to pass the biscuit reference through from the server. Then this part, switch has authority. Okay. Something I want to check here though. Add radial force. Runs on the server. Okay, so hopefully that works. I do feel like I need to pass this through the server. I need to rename this to cookie. Instead we'll do it like this. Pull this down and this. And then we plug this in. Okay. Let's see how that looks. Oops. Didn't mean to pop that guy. Okay. Go pick up the biscuit and let it go. And yeah, look at that. We back to normal. We can hit, can move, pick it up again, and then I let it go, and we go back to normal. And now I got the damn loop issue again. Okay, let me save. Let's try the other player as well. Moving. Let's bonk this guy for fun. Bonk. Okay. So pick it up. I picked it up, but my montage is not playing. Okay, let it go. Let it go. I really gotta figure out what's up with that one soon. Okay, but why was my, aren't we on client both? Yes, we are. So both windows are client. It's not running on the server. Pick it up, works. Let it go. Okay. Now the other player, I need to move this aside again. Now this guy picks it up and he's not playing the animation. Is something not getting set back after getting picked up? Let me try a brand new one this time. Okay, so right now I want this. Pick up works. Okay. Now I want the second window. Pick up works. So pick up. Like, come on, can you leave me alone already? What the hell? Pick up, let go. Ah, this thing. Infinite loop. Damn, it sure went. I think I need to add a short delay there, because that just keeps happening. I could always just run a trace instead of doing these. I can do a trace instead. Be skinnier? No. Just add a delay. Let's see if that still gives issues. Pick up, drop, pick up, still issue. Okay. So the whole run, the whole thing is getting called over and over again for some reason. That's so weird. Why would he do an infinite call? There's one thing we could do here. We can do a do once. Let's see. Do once. Which gets resetted by this. Let's see if that works. When I pick it up, that's when it goes bad. That's so weird. Right, I want to restart it first. Sometimes, I don't know, I really feel like Unreal just bullshits completely. Pick it up, I go, pick it up, crashed. Why would you crash on the pickup though? That's what I don't understand. And I remember last night I worked fine. Why would you crash on the pickup? Just to see for testing purposes, pick it up, let it go. Pick it up, wait a bit, let it go, go away, pick it up, let it go, go away. So it only happens when I change it very suddenly. That's odd. The main issue is that when I pick it up, I turn off the collision, which triggers this. Pickle. This will need more research, unfortunately. So I'll just keep going like this. Okay, so earlier we had a problem. After one, oh, suddenly again it's not playing the animation. So this should be in the pickup. valid. Wait, is looping? There you go. Ah no, this is to run the attack, okay. So this is not triggering for some reason. The whole thing triggers, just not the animation. Really enough. And I see earlier play sound when a new message comes. I feel like I saw one time beep when there's a new message. Okay. Will I hear it though? We'll see, I guess. Like this. Let's try. Oh yeah, I hear it. Nice. Very nice. Let's see now. And now it works. Ah, did it too fast again. I will fix this eventually, probably redo the whole thing and just do like a sphere trace or something. So only the server triggered it for some reason. Drop it, switch to this guy, and only plays on the server for some reason. Like this whole code just plays on the server. I want to hide away icons. All these hide badges. It's but we can do then just the Twitch icon, I guess. Yeah. Nice if I can make the font a bit bigger, even if it becomes a bit more chunky. B volume. Message font weight. Font in here. No. Let's see if this works. So they say to just add it in there. That worked. I'm not good with this kind of thing, so we'll see. Let's see. It's still tiny. Still tiny. Viewers follow. Gotta be a proper way to do this. hell yeah. It just this that made it bigger. 3 hearts, what the fuck? It's good. Nice. Perfect. Now they are more readable. Much better. Why does this work once but not the other time? More testing required. Pick up. Worked. Drop. Okay. Pick up. Worked. Drop. Okay. Pick up. Didn't work. Pick up. Worked. Pick up. Worked. Pick up. Didn't work. How is this possible? Let's try this. Air biscuit. It's possible that the other players are not finding the biscuit. Pick up. Okay, let go. Pick up. Oh, God damn it. Pick up. Throw away. Pick up. Yeah. So it's this. This thing, it's not being triggered by the other players. I need to pass this through, I guess. The server to all of the others, because it's not working. Nope, not this. This key reference. Is it gonna break if I change it to cookie? Key reference. I'd also like to rename this guy. So pass this through on the server. A is valid, which is basically the same as this, but we cannot do that right now, so need to swap them around. Also need to connect these to make sure that we're really pulling the right thing. Okay, let's see if that works. Oh god, what's happening? Oh, this is plugged in the wrong thing. Okay. Pick up. Where biscuit? God damn it. And now you work. Why do you work now when you didn't work earlier? What? Key reference. This should be getting set here. Where are you? No, not here. Yeah. Yeah, this is getting set here. Executes on server. Like this. Found pickup works. Detecting it twice. Pickup works. Didn't work. Won't be that longer. Don't have any package loss enabled, do I? No. I know. Does it still work? No, I closed it like a fucking idiot. Social Ninja. Oh wait, my stream been playing. I should find it soon. Easy now possible to minimize. Always on top, make unclickable. Minimize to tray. Can't you minimize to tray by default? Enable the server, edit URL. That I guess. It's made a bit weird. Yeah, that works. Okay. Back to tray, please. With biscuit is found, pick up works. But if I pick it up real quick, it works. Okay. Where biscuit? Okay, so the thing triggers. Wait, is this that doesn't trigger? When this is the problem. Wait, why am I still checking this? Do I need to check this? Biscuit is near. Oh yeah, I do need to check this. And if it's false, do this, otherwise do heat. Basically. Right, yeah, let's see. Probably gonna try to hit while picking it up. This goddamn thing, when it's too fast, it can't hold. Oh god, already? Stop the tech biscuit. Yeah, it's still this one. Ugh. Whoa. Okay, maybe. I don't know. Maybe this whole thing itself is not a great option. It's weird this is happening now though. Yesterday and the many other times I tested this in Singapore, so it worked fine. But yeah, you saw that just now. I need to build a check. A check is required. But also if it ends up in an infinite loop. The whole infinite thing is not actually infinite, it's just too many happen at the same time and then real things, oh, we gotta stop now, otherwise who knows how long it's gonna keep going. Food is required. Let's see if this stops it anyway. Right now I didn't clear the reference, so now what? Inputs. Oh, this is from the this. Wait, why did it happen when I'm so far away? What? Yo, that's so weird. Why would that happen when I'm not even close to it? Damn. Why would that happen? This little branch. Just for fun. The condition. Condition. The zero. It's false, which will make it false by default. Do that. Debugging. Infinite loop detect set condition. I don't know, I feel like something's not right here. How can this be an infinite loop when we cut this off? And not the press of a button as well. No fucking sense. At this point I just feel like it's just not right. Your guiding coin, thanks for the follow, I appreciate it. Just looking for some food. Calling this anywhere else? Stop the take biscuit. No. I was thinking maybe somehow I'm calling it like here. No, it's not. Really, the weirdest thing is when, like, I'm not even near it. I pick it up, I let it go, and then when I pick it up again, I let it go. Now when I press, it's gonna say infinite loop, even though, why would it be infinite loop? RPC hit pickup server. RPC. Same thing. Wait. Hit. Why would that cause an infinite loop? Pickup server. me disable this. Oh, the issue was this. This was causing a continuous loop. Oh no. That fixes that issue. I'll just need to figure out another way. Just realized that I am not appearing in software development. Software and game development. feel like this though. So we solved the looping issue. We can pick it up, drop it, 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 pick it up, drop it without problems. It's like I'm not able to hit after dropping it though. Not able to hit after dropping. Let's be skinnier. Says after I drop it. So we run from here, click to here, that goes through here, and then what's this? Something. Hit right now, pick up, go through. So the problem is the drop biscuit here. Yeah, we left this in here for that. Why don't you let me delete start things sometimes? Pressing delete and nothing happens, and this doesn't work either. See, like, grayed out, what the hell? Oh, because I was in the search only. And delete this as well. Okay, let's see now. Pick up, drop, pick up, drop. Hit, 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 hit. Oh. Hit. Pick up, drop, pick up, drop, pick up, drop. I dropped it. Why? It's not letting me pick it up. Maybe we should only clear. Where is it? Maybe we should only clear this when we actually lose contact with it. So pick up, drop, pick up, drop, pick up, drop. So it's really on and off for some reason. Weirdly enough. I mean this anim. Okay, let's disable this for now. I want to see what happens when another player tries to get near. Pick it up. Let's do pick up with the other one. Pick up. Okay, so biscuit is near. Meaning we can't hit because it's detecting the biscuit nearby. So, because this is near. It's gonna give us the same issue again. It will. Instead, I think we need to go straight here. Oops. That happened. My bad. Okay. We pick it up. And now we should be able to bonk. Nope, we're not bonking shit. Now we're bonking, but then close. We're not bonking. Oh wait, it is valid because we are nearby. What we need to do is this instead. Yeah. It's valid because it's nearby. Okay. Pick up. Bonk. Replace with a biscuit. Nice, that works. So now we need to make it so when I hit the guy, I was testing to see if the messaging still shows and the audio works. Yeah, it works. Trigger this. Trigger this when I hit the player that has the biscuit. Getting so messy. Holy shit, Jeff is raiding the son of a bitch. Hello guys, everybody. Damn, this feels weird because I'll usually stay with you guys, but today I'm just here. God damn it, Jeff. Hi guys, good to meet you. Thanks for passing by. Thank you, Jeff, especially. Um, I'm TangledUp, or Alex, and I'm making a Brawler arena game. Currently, you can definitely bonk people around, and you can steal the biscuit and run away with it, because why the hell not, and throw it away and keep bonking people. Jeff Boy needs to rest. Yes, he does. He did. I'm sure he did great. I'm sorry, Jeff, for not being there this time. Usually I'm there lurking for your information. I like to hear you talk bullshit, and also gets me coding as well. Oh man. Of course, anytime. Wasn't expecting a sudden raid, so that was great. Right now I'm testing to see if I can, let's see, I'll pick up the biscuit, and I want, oh god, I need to disable this. I want to see if I can bonk the person and drop the biscuit. Let's see here. Pick up the biscuit. Switch screen. And bonk. And the biscuit is dropped. Can I pick it up though? I can. Perfect. Nice. Can the other guy stand up now? Yes. Bonk him. Take the biscuit, go away. Hell yeah, it works. That's how we do it. What the fuck? That's great. Oh, and hi Europa. Greetings. W, yeah, W in the chat. Things are working. You know how it is. Earlier I kept getting endless loop. I don't know if you got the infinite loop crashes before, but that took a while to figure out. That sucks. Alright, dude, thanks for passing by. Feel free to go anytime. I have stage fright. True, though it was my fault for that happening. I had, like you see here, I have all these branches. So I was recalling this here, which was causing this whole part, like, oh god, this whole part to loop all over and over again. God damn. And also Unreal was giving me, was sending me somewhere else. It was sending me here. Like, what the hell are you sending me here for? At least tell me exactly where the infinite looping is happening. Fucking stupid shit. Time to hydrate. Man, I wanna make myself an avatar like yours too. Cause wait. Like, who the hell wants to see this ugly motherfucker, right? Better if I make an avatar for myself as well. But what the fuck can I make? A controller? A controller? I guess. Sexy. Me? Reaction? You crazy? I'm 100 kg. Come on. Well, when I do game reviews, of course, I want to show people my reaction, right? But for game development, I don't know. And also, I want to keep it off if I want to use the footage later, you know, in a video or something. I don't want my face to be blocking the way, you know. Then my infinitely looping scripts, that's never good unless you want infinitely looping scripts. No, I don't want infinitely looping scripts. I don't. Nobody does. But yeah, Jeff, look at this. It's getting worse, man. Come on. I think I'm gonna give you a competition eventually, because the noodles are getting worse. Yeah, it's unfortunate. You don't think so? Man, I don't know. I don't have my old projects anymore. But that was bad. Okay, go. The wife is probably waiting. Have fun with the wife. Bye-bye. Or that. Okay, enjoy your chores. Play some music or something. Make the time fly easier. Cheers, man. Really appreciate it. Hell yeah. One day, hopefully, I can raid you with my one viewer. See ya. See ya, boy. Alright. You'll take me, I guess, later. Hey, Zaro, man. Thanks for passing by. Really appreciate it. Really appreciate it. Oh, man. I don't know. I'm just a bit speechless because I don't get raids often, you know? I mean, I haven't even streamed in a long time either. Okay, so right now I'm having an issue. You see... Oh, I need to re-enable the drop. So I'm having an issue right now and I've been struggling with it for a bit. I pick it up, the character looks like it picked up the biscuit, right? It's holding it, but then I drop it and I pick it up again, and sometimes... Come on. No, yeah, see, like this. It's not working every time. And by the looks of it, this is happening because this is not getting replicated properly for some reason. Weirdly enough. So I'm grabbing this from the biscuit. Let's see, from the cookie. Wait, is this replicated? It is replicated, so what the hell? How was it again that you make something okay reliable? That's only for that? Because I was thinking maybe it's not replicating properly. It's so weird. Save game. Oh, they added this here. I don't know for how long that was there. Man, Jeff is such a cool dude, man. Such a cool dude. Should invite him one day to do like a... We should do together like a one-day competition or a few hours competition who can make a game quicker. Though he's a busy guy, I know. We'll see, we'll see. Okay, I was thinking maybe I should do this in an event. Maybe that way if I pull it from somewhere else it's more reliable. Wait, am I calling it somewhere already? Okay, it's picked up. It's picked up. Picked up. Okay, no. Why would you be on and off? Oh, wait, I'm not actually... Wait, am I? He's goated. Agreed. 100%. No cap. Hell yeah. I don't really watch anybody else on Twitch. When I see Jeff is online though and I'm available, I go and just lurk there. Just hearing him bullshit. And the energy, suddenly hear him shouting, "Yo! Zura man, how's it going, man?" How's it going, dude? It gives you energy, you know. Okay, I need to check my pickup. Where's my pickup? Wait, no. Wait, no. Something's... is picked up. Wait, so is this not getting turned off? Is that the problem? Drop biscuit. Weird. I am telling it that it's dropped. I mean, the parts about calling him bald are my favorite. Hell yeah. I also pitch in with the bullshitting every now and then. Okay, let's try a bit more here. Okay, pick up works, drop. Pick up works, pick up. Okay. Yeah, also only a few months back found about him, and also when he was working on Raining Cats and Dogs. And after that I went and tried the game and I'm like, what the hell does this man mean that it's an easy game? I couldn't even climb much. I kept dropping and I was like, after 40 minutes I was like, I'm just wasting my time. I'm lame. Never mind, this game is not for me. Jeff is from another league. Zaro man, are you also a dev or you just enjoy watching development? Pick up. Wait, how do you pick it up and fail at the same time though? What the fuck? The hell? So is it only the first time? Yeah, I'm gonna have to keep testing like this a few times. Yeah, it was hard. I am a dev right now working on my own game. It's been so slow though, mainly because of procrastination. Man, I get that so much. But also because game name is hard and making a whole entire set for the player to move around in it is hard. Yeah, that is so true. So true. Let me tell you something. I started this project 5 months ago in August. And I needed to find a way to do over the network this. Like simply this. Accurate ragdolls. Like when you hit somebody to everybody to see the same thing. Like look, even the pose is different. The pose is different. But simply getting the character itself to move in a nice way without it looking broken and stuff was incredibly hard, and that caused me to procrastinate for a whole 3 months. Sometimes it's not just you, it's just simply some things are outside of your knowledge set and it's causing you to just go in circles and being unable to get things done. So I guess just look at it one way. Maybe it's not just you, it's simply that you don't know enough, so you can be blamed for being unable to do something. Hey, Nigle Fritz, welcome, and yeah, thanks for that. We're doing our best here. Thanks for popping by. Are you also a dev, Nick? Nickel. Are you also a dev or just enjoy watching development? Oh man, I haven't even attempted the online game, because I know how hard that is. And another thing with my game is that I have to make 20 endings. Some bring you to a whole different time period. What the hell, you making a choice-based game? Or yeah, choice-based, I guess. That would be the main thing. Oh god, that the 3 branches of making that happen sound painful. All the ifs and checks and everything. Both web developer by day, game developer by night. Hell yeah. Oh, both of you, Zaro man and Nicole, what engines do you use for your game development? I imagine if you are watching Jeff, maybe Unreal, but then he also has that energy that just makes you watch anyway, even if you don't use Unreal. Man, what was I working on? Fucking got distracted with you guys. Oh yeah, I wanted to test if pickup works by default. Need to keep doing this. Let's just switch it to one, it's quicker to get started. Pickup. Yeah, so basically the whole premise of the game is signing. Oh no, you're doing job application. Shit. Just signed the job application, which is going to be a compatible. Man, you're following the memes. I love that. I love that you're following the memes. Okay, both of you Unity. Great, great. I guess Unreal is still niched. Of course, I feel like if I was to make a game like what I'm currently making, Unity would be better. Problem is I can never learn proper programming. Like, what was it? C# was it for Unity? I just cannot. My brain gets tangled with, and my name is Tangled, gets tangled with all the words and everything. It just never works. I even tried to learn C++ because for Unreal, blueprints and C++ are very similar. I couldn't. Not yet, at least. I'll keep trying, but they're very similar. Yeah, yes, Nika, yep. I don't know, Zor, man. I feel like just focusing on one main thing, it's good enough. Zaro, man, and I guess going with the least similar things. Unity and Godot would be good together as well, I guess. But you see, Unreal, it's completely different programming. I'm still seeing the job application memes. I saw one even this morning when I was chilling. Unity also has their own visual scripting. I heard about that. I looked into it and it seemed bare bones back when I looked into it, but that was years back. Probably now it's so much better. Probably if they had that when I started in 2016, when I started game development, learning and stuff, I would have probably stayed with Unity. Especially as C# it's easier than C++. But that didn't work out, I guess. And then I found a mentor. He taught me for a couple of months, and then I got on my own. And now, honestly, I feel like I'm at the point where I can make just about anything with blueprints. So I feel like if I would try another engine, I would just be starting from zero. So my suggestion is always to stay with an engine until you're really happy with it, unless you're just not sure about the engine for your project. But starting from zero, unless you're like one of those people that learns very fast, yeah. After I finish just science job, I'm going to make a PlayStation 1-star horror game. Oh, I love those. Yes, please. You go ahead and pop by to tell me if you do. But instead of horror being some kind of creature or bad person chasing you, it's going to be a horror game where the horror comes from the story you find out as you play the game and the environment. Ooh. Oh, that's a unique idea. So the game itself makes you feel scared, not that there's something to jump scare you around and shit. It's just the setting that feels dark, that touches your what is it called? Like, we have our own natural fears. Like, I'm still scared of the dark. I'm fucking 27 and I cannot sleep in the dark well. I fall asleep eventually, but not well. Got the inspiration from ARG series. What's that? Let me look it up. ARG series. Oh, never seen this before. Yeah, I can see the darkness. Sure. Okay. I need to keep testing this. Okay. So it can happen when you just pick it up first as well. For some reason. But wait, doesn't that mean... Wait, is this on by default even? No. So how can it send this to run here? Like, that's so weird. Let's see if this ends up if this ends up triggering both at the same time somehow, which would be really like, what the fuck. No. Oh man, I want to see my output log, but my output log causes my whole engine to lag so hard for some reason. Let me just set this to a higher number. Debugging. You guys feel me, I'm sure. Well, Zaro man, I wish you luck with the... not luck. Speed. I wish you speed with just signed the job application game. And then I hope you get on your next actual like dream game, I guess. Okay. Server says false, client says true. Why do we have this difference between client and server? The whole reason of this is so other players cannot steal the biscuit from someone else if it's already in their hands. They need to bonk the player to get it. And then what makes it even worse is how it works and then it doesn't. And then both of them run. But on the server it was right, it was on the player that it wasn't. Let's try. Switch has authority, which will make the whole code run only on the server. Just want to see if the player ends up hitting. So is it possible? I think this is what's happening. We run first on the server, and then when it finally comes to the player, this is turned on, which is why when the player gets to run this code for the player, this is true, which causes the hit animation instead. Oh boy. Let's try. I need to clean some stuff from here, too much. Oh yeah, where's my food? My food is still prepared. Okay. Replication in real, it's complicated. You need to realize when variables are being pulled from the server and when they are being pulled from each player. Like in this case, because I'm passing on this variable from a server to the other players, the other players will receive the copy from the server and run it on their own machine. But if I do this instead, this variable would be run by the player's version of the game instead of checking with the server. So I just think that this needs to be run fully by the server. How do I do that? Yeah. Basically, this whole part would need to be ran between the server and the players, so that the server always knows when to pick up what. So I'm going to need to make some extra stuff here. Custom event. I'll need to split this. We'll make one that is hit and one that is pickup. This will be a multicast. Multi, come on, delete multi PC pickup biscuit. Pickup cookie, my bad. I'm still stuck with the biscuit. I made this game for Bracky's Game Jam, and the theme was Risk It for the Biscuit. So I got stuck with the game. I made it for as a biscuit game, but now I want to change it to cookie because, you know, everybody knows more about cookies than biscuits. Biscuits is more of a British thing, I guess. Pick up cookie. This will be connected here. This whole thing is to be run like this. Oh yeah, if anybody's still watching, is my voice loud enough, and also the background music, is it okay between my voice and the music, the volume difference? Just wanna know, make sure that everybody can hear me properly. If you pick up server. Here, 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 multi-cookie. Oh, got a message. I first started the game development when I was in grade 9. God damn, that must have been a long time ago. When my school started a class where it focused on STEM and you could make games in it. So I went into it and it has been fun. And I've been going back to it each year, and this year is my final year of high school, which in turn is my final year in the STEM class. Oh man, a school that does this kind of thing is very nice in my opinion. I had no programming at all in school. I had for like a month, and then the teacher just left and he fucked off. But that's nice, and it's okay. I don't know, you sound a bit sad about finishing the STEM class, but you can continue with everything now. It's all good, right? Um, what's your plan after high school? College? Or you finish that and go on your own way? Personally, I didn't even finish high school. I just moved out and gone. So messy. Let's change this one to RPC heat. And so, what plan you got now after high school? Uh, yeah, I do plan on going to college, because one college that I want to go has a whole entire course for game development. That's awesome. So I'll be doing that, and then after that, I'll go and work at some big company soon, leaving and trying to start my own. Are you planning to work at the game development company, or just a normal company for whatever degree you're gonna get? It's um it's hard finding jobs right after high school. Like, I didn't personally finish high school, but I looked for jobs and it wasn't great. Of course, with college and everything, it's still easier. Still hard though. Awesome. If that works out for you, would be so good. So I wish you all the luck and all the best. I'm really glad you got a plan ahead. That's awesome. Many people come out of high school or college and have no idea what the fuck they want to do. One day I also hope to release some games, and then I just feel like being my own studio is not gonna lead me very far. So I want to learn C++, and hopefully one day, I don't know, get hired at a company. Imagine working at Epic Fortnite, or working at the gacha company like Weathering Waves, or whatever uses Unreal, I guess. That'd be nice. We'll see one day, I guess. Okay, so tick. This needs to call it PC hit. Oops, wrong one. So this calls that. This does nothing. And the true here also calls this one again. And this pickup cookie, I need to pass through the cookie from the server, and the other one doesn't need anything. Let's see. My brain It's a bit melted right now. Okay. Can I hit? Yes, I can hit. Can I pick up biscuit? I can pick up biscuit. Let go of the biscuit. Pick up the biscuit again. Well, guys, look at that. It's properly picking up the biscuit now. Hell yeah. Wait, I have here a... Wait, I thought... What happened with my impulse? Thought I had an impulse here. Wait, no, this is pick up. Where's drop? Yeah, I have an impulse. Why is this not working? Velocity change, radius more. And let's do a high strength to see if it works. It's fucking gone. Pulverized. God damn. Too high. Basically, I'm gonna make it look like it's throwing the biscuit a bit forward. Oi! It's gone. Still too high. I think I just forgot to enable this velocity change. Come on, one more time, and... Oh, there we go. So, like, I'm running. Pick it up. Not bad. Not bad at all. Oh, let's save. Save before I forget. I don't even have any control running. I should really connect something eventually. Ugh. I think GitHub was free for making backups of your game, right? Do I remember wrong? Check on food again. One second, I'm just checking my food delivery. It seems to be taking a bit, so I need to reach out to support. For you guys, I'm playing lofi music, but on my screen, I got other things playing. Hell yeah, Daddy's home. You know, worst thing for me, I've known how to make games properly for at least 5 years now, and I never really released anything. I've only ever released 2 games, and they were both for jams. Biscuit Fever, which is the game I'm currently converting, gonna change it to a multiplayer game, and Tap Away, which was for GMDK jam. So this one was for Brackies, Biscuit Fever, and this one's for GMTK Tap Away. I changed the name from Biscuit Fever to Bonk Chomp. Just felt it's more catchy. Maybe it would be more interesting for people. I don't have many wish lists though. Let me see. Got 56 wish lists, and I posted it in November last year. I mean, I'm in a group where people share their wish lists, and it's like, wow, thousands and thousands only a few days. I'm like, damn, okay. I guess mine is just not that attractive, which is understandable. The page is not really great yet. It's not great because I just don't have a proper mm, like the game itself is not really done yet, right? It's like a very early version, so I just wanted to have it there already in on Steam while I work on it. Yeah. Well, once I start the marketing for it, maybe something. I mean, this whole thing of right now doing streaming for it, it's marketing too, right? I appreciate you guys that wishlisted the game, even if it doesn't interest you. It makes me happy to see some increase in numbers. That's great. Well, I would say the game is pretty good already. Let me try with 2 players. So I can pick it up. There you go. Bonk somebody. Now this guy is able to get up. Let's see if he's able to pick it up. Okay. Drop it. Pick it up. Drop it. Pick it up. Drop it. Yeah, pretty good. Let me see here. I also want to test if I pick it up and bong the other guy if it works to drop it. So this guy go pick it up. Okay, he's holding it. Now we bonk him and the biscuit flies away. Nice. Perfect. That's next thing. Right now, I need to press Z to stand up, which I don't want. I want to just press space to get up. So I need to figure out. Let's click like this. Really happy that this seems to work pretty well so far. Okay, let's do the stand up. Nope. Key. look. Kitty cat. Need your cat. Cat spawned. Okay. Now, where was my code for standing up? It's the join server. So, trying to find it. Stand up. Here it is. I put it in the new event graph. No. But in the main event graph, it's a movement. It's already here. What? I'm confused. What is happening? Oh no, I have the same event graph open. Okay. Why can't I paste it? Is it being pasted somewhere else? Oh, it's because I'm... This one is server. Yeah, what's he doing? Guys, I'm getting assaulted by cat. Yes, yes. I like to sit up. Assaulted by cat. Still we do this. And here we're gonna need the branch. Branch should be here, I guess. If false, don't do anything. If true, get up. Bonk. This guy goes flying. Swap window and space. Nothing happened. Oh no. Okay, no, this one doesn't matter. What's not working here? Probably this is not triggering. This is not being turned on somewhere. So from biscuit to ragdoll. I don't think I'm calling this anywhere anymore. Why? Wait, I do. What the fuck? Okay. Hey, Nico, thanks for hanging by and take care. See ya maybe one other day. Bye bye. Let's do a print and see what's wrong here. Supposed to trigger. This was supposed to trigger. Device not triggering. This game is only gonna be on Steam for now. I would also like to make it for mobile, but maybe in the future. My release did have a mobile version when I made it for the jam. But yeah, now it's only gonna be on Steam. Also, main part is when you make a multiplayer game, you gotta connect with the online subsystems. And I'm using Steam Online subsystem. So the whole like hosting and joining, servers running and everything are on Steam. So without Steam it wouldn't work. But I can also use the EOS, which is Epic's subsystem, like Epic Online Subsystem, EOS, which works on any device. But for now I want to focus on Steam just to build popularity, you know, because then you lose features. Yeah. Okay, so why is this? The camera. I think the camera reference is failing here. It should work. Bonk, and then true. And now I should be able to stand up when I press space. No? Oh God. Why? Why don't you want to let me stand up? Okay. Should be set to true now. How about your game, Zaro Man? Also, you know, do you have like a video or something uploaded anywhere of how it looks, or is it still early development? We'll have to see how the visuals look for the game. False. What did it? Why would it be false? I turned it on. Weird. Okay, time to search for it everywhere and see where the hell is it getting set to false. Setting, getting set to true, and that's it. What the hell? Multicast. Switch has authority, yeah. Beautiful. Weird. Okay, that's understandable. Totally fair. Was basically just wondering what style you're going for. That's all. Is it the same as the RG series that you showed me earlier? 2D top down, or more like RPG Maker kind of style? Or is it 3D or yeah, you know? Okay, turn true. So, what you mean false? What? How can that be false? Replicated, yes. That is so weird. Server. So the PS1 style horror game is going to be kind of like and just signed job application game. It's going to be low poly mixed with more realistic shading. Yeah, basically that's what I was asking about, the just signed the job application. Sorry, I got confused earlier. If you look at the chat, the link is actually pinned. The wishlist Bonk and Chomp. But I will drop the link in the chat again. One sec. There you go. Thank you so much for the wishlist. In the future, when your game is on Steam, please come by and drop it. I would really wish to check it out. Nice. Low poly mixed with more realistic shading. Turn on RTX. And I want to restart the engine one time. Where's my food? I need to keep checking the food. Food is downstairs. So I think I'll be ending the stream soon. Let me just check this one more time. Why is this failing? How are you turned off exactly? What the hell? Because like I am setting this here, right? Wait, what was it? Oh, target self? No, not self. Needs to be the guy that got hit. What the hell? Also, I was basically I was setting the boolean on my character, the one that inflicted the hit, instead of on the character that actually went down. Okay, so now there we go. Now it works. And one little thing, and that's it with coding. Oh, that guy didn't move properly. Okay, stand up. Nice. You know, I would also like to do it like a jump when I get up. Where's the jump? Where did I put the jump? Jump, 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 jump. Here's jump. Let's do a jump. Where's the code? Cover from ragdoll. All the way here we do jump. Why can I still not copy things? What the hell? Still like the jump, I guess. See if that works. Didn't play the sound. Didn't play the sound because we're running this. No, this is a multi. Yeah, no way. We're running this on authority. Okay. It's fine. Let me see my focus here. Zaro man and everybody else was here. My food has arrived. It's time to take a break. Made good progress today. We were able to hit players, pick up and drop biscuits without it looking broken. Biscuit is moving well. We can bonk somebody and they can stand up, and they can bonk someone else instead. Then that person can stand up, that player I mean, and bonk again, get crapped. That is good progress today. All right, we got another message. No, not RTX. Yeah, I was just kidding. But right now I'm actually going to release just signs on each, since to put the game on Steam I've seen you need, yeah, $100. Yeah, that sounds fair. It is. You can enable donations though on each. You should enable donations and be like asking for donations just to be able to play it on Steam as well, right? So people can still play the game for free on each, but also you have the option for donations on each. So I think that would be a good move for you if you like. Maybe you probably thought about that already. Nice, epic, very nice. I've seen, if you really do the PS1 style properly, there's so many oldish people like me. I also played PlayStation 1 games. Like I played the Star Wars games over and over so many times. It's gonna be very popular if you make it properly, so really do your best. Yeah, nice with the donations. Okay, Zaroman and everybody, I'm done for today. It was good progress. Still gotta fix some issues next time, but I'm very happy with how things turned out today. Time to make a backup of the project, and I'll be back again some other day in the following days, I guess, or even today. Who knows? We'll see. It gets easier once you start streaming. Okay, bye bye, and thanks for popping by. I really appreciate it. Let's see if we can raid somebody with our 2 viewers for fun, because why not? Okay, let's see. Who do we have streaming right now? Well, not many people, but yeah, to be honest, I think we'll just pass today. I don't really know anybody who's online right now streaming. Okay, we'll just do Vash, I guess. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll be just sending you to someone else if you're still sticking by. And I'm going to eat. And go. All right, bye bye. Bye bye, guys.